I need to do things last minute. Definitely don't have enough space. I love her. Remember which pocket. I really feel like I'm forgetting something. I leave tomorrow. We lost 2 nails in the process. Give them some serious love. Look how cute. Isn't that genius? Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia and I'm so glad you're here. Today we have a really fun video and I've never done this style of video before, so I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna take you along as I pack for my trip to Vancouver for the spring break and just getting ready for everything before my trip. And honestly, our to-do list isn't very lengthy, but our packing list is very long, so it was very intimidating and I wanted to take you guys along with me so I would get it done easier. Right now, the plan is just to put some nails on. I just have some acrylics I'm gonna glue on, pack up all of my stuff, whatever I can pack now. It's like 3 days before I leave. Normally I'm like a pack the morning of kind of person, so it's gonna be interesting. And then we're just gonna water my plants, take care of those, clean up my room a little bit, and I think that's it. If you guys like this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit like and subscribe and join our little growing family. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing is picking a color. I already did this one, as you can see, and I do have a lot of green fits. What if we went with white? I think that'd be kind of fun. Okay, I love them. And nail glue is something I will most definitely be packing because these fall off a lot. But now we are going to pack my suitcase. Okay, so I just went through and threw out a bunch of clothes on here. Definitely have more than I'll need on here. I was just going through the list and saying, oh, this could work. Just put some outfit combinations together, tops on top, bottoms on bottom. And we're gonna have to condense it a little bit because all of this has to fit in here with the shoes. I don't know if I'm sure that'll fit. So I'm gonna try on some outfit combinations and then see what I want to wear. I also have to keep in mind I'm staying for like 7 days, so I might just need 7 outfits. So over here we've got those 2 Elevated Faith t-shirts, which I love, and then we have a black crop t-shirt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cropped tank top sort of things, all very similar style. We got jean shorts from Princess Polly, Nike running shorts, Princess Polly black jeans, PacSun, some airy flared leggings, this really cute button up. I don't know where that's from, but I got it from Ariana. Princess Polly crew neck, crew neck, and American Eagle little dress. Okay, so I just tried everything on and I added a couple things. I added that little white sweater, excuse the pile on the floor, and that black skirt. And these pants I'm thinking I'll wear for the actual flight with this top and probably like a jacket because then I don't have to pack it. And I checked the weather and it's gonna be 50 at the highest, down to like 20s, 30s. So I'm thinking no dress, but we got the skirt and the sweater, which is a little warmer. But I'm thinking that trying on the outfits and like taking all these pictures will be really helpful for the outfit try on that I'm gonna do with MS Blue jewelry. And then I won't have to think about what I'm gonna wear that day. I'll just have all my outfits planned out. I can see how they look on me. I don't have to try them on to find out, which will just be like a huge time saver there. Thank you, Natalie Zasik, for that hack. I'm very excited to see how that works out. And now I'm gonna pack my stuff. Okay, hey guys, it's now a couple days later. I leave tomorrow, and now it feels like we're really packing. Before it felt kind of like fake because it's like way too soon before. I need to do things last minute. And we actually have to repack because I realized I definitely don't have enough space in my little suitcase. And I found out we get a free check bag. So that's cool. We're taking this duffel bag now, and I'm just gonna repack everything that I put in there, which is just clothes and shoes. So I'll show you guys the final result. Okay, excuse the mess over there. And we lost 2 nails in the process, but moved everything over. First, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing for the flight. I'm wearing my black jeans because I figured they take up the most space of all my pants. And I'm wearing this poly crew neck, which I'm in love with. It's super fuzzy. Here's my code to get 20% off. I'm gonna wear these necklaces now so that I don't forget them, as well as all of these rings. And then I'm just wearing my bright green tank top under this, and I'm gonna be wearing my blazers on the plane because they take up the most space in my bag. I just wanted something comfortable. Oh, and these pants are Princess Polly too, I should say. And so is the top and the necklace, but I just wanted something comfortable for on the plane and whatever would take up the most space. I know. I should definitely invest in some packing cubes because they would be so helpful. I just have not gone and gotten them yet. But in the future, when I'm gonna be traveling a ton, I think they will be very helpful for organization. This is what I got for now. So I've got my Princess Polly track pants in there, some blue jeans, black flare leggings, running shorts, white sweater, white button up, another green crew neck, my Elevated Faith t-shirt, pajama pants, like 3 crop tank tops. In that bag is like a bunch of like undergarments, socks, underwear, bras, and swimsuits. That's my version of a packing cube right now. Got a hoodie in there, a skirt, shorts, running shoes, Birks, and some slippers. So that was like all the clothes I wanted to bring. I think I'm gonna stick the gifts in there and whatever liquids I have just because I'm checking this bag and I have some space. next thing to pack is the travel essentials and the fun stuff. So this is gonna be my carry-on. Just a nice big backpack, very dirty, but I love her. And honestly, I thought of most of this stuff after I made my list, so it's just kind of random. I'll walk you guys through it. So I'm gonna bring my Polaroid camera and some extra film, and it's all wrapped around a glow stick right now because that's the last time I used it. I couldn't find the plastic thing, but my LED lights, just in case we have a sleepover, and we will. I'm gonna bring my journal and my little Bible, along with some pens and highlighters, my live book, which I've really been wanting to read. So my goal is to read it a lot on this trip because I'm actually gonna have time. And inside, I just have some paper for cards. I put it in here so I won't lose it and it won't get all squished. Gonna put my AirPods, my Canadian wallet. Yes, I've had this since I was like 5. Some earbuds for editing, and my nail glue in here. These ones will go pretty close to the top because I'm gonna need these on the flight. Actually, they're going to the front pocket. I'm just gonna do my best to remember which pocket I put all these in. Check them off the list. I'm gonna put some gum for the flight in there. My little phone holder in case I go for a run. And tomorrow I'm gonna put in my MacBook and my Mac charger. Also gotta pack the boring stuff like my extra Fitbit and phone chargers. I wish I could say I had a system, but I really don't. Okay, awesome. And the day of, I'm gonna pack my Mac charger and the tripod so I can film for you guys. I really feel like I'm forgetting something. But for now, let's move it on over to the bathroom. Okay, please excuse my complete and total mess of the counter. I wish I could blame Cooper, but I really can't. So we're definitely gonna pack this lotion. It's a little Bath & Body Works lotion that I really love the smell of. I'm also gonna bring this EOS Travel Shading Cream, pomegranate raspberry. This Clean Freak dry shampoo, some deodorant. So let me find a bag for all this. In here, I'm also gonna put my Mario Badescu, if that's how you say it, Badescu skincare. We also have this little Ipsy sample of the Hyaluronic Morning Serum. This is by This Works. I love this. I feel like this makes my skin so glowy in the morning. And we got a little travel thing of toothpaste and a little travel toothbrush. I love this thing, guys. It's so handy. Look. Isn't that genius? I got way too excited the first time I saw that. And then for makeup, ooh, same with the skincare. I'm kind of just packing it in advance because I still have to use it tonight and tomorrow morning. But for accessories, I'm gonna grab a little tote bag. Okay, so in here we'll have, I'm gonna have the hairbrush loose because I really like having that on hand on the plane. But we'll have my socks for the sock girls, my scrunchie for overnight, this clip, and I have a lot of green, so this clip, so warm right now. And I'll just stick these little towelettes in there. Now, accessories. I put all of my nails in here. I'm not gonna bring them all. I'm just gonna bring these ones. These are extra white nails, you know, just in case I lose some. Probably will. And I'm already wearing lots of rings, but I think I'll put the rest in here. This is from Elevated Faith. Love this brand so much. And then we open up my super messy jewelry box. And what earrings? I'm so bad about wearing earrings, guys. I do love these little mushrooms. Look how cute. Ooh, and I've been thinking about going back to my stud. I think I might have to do that right now. I'm gonna use this bag for all my bracelets and stuff. Loki, should I bring my Pikachu necklace? Besides that, I'll probably only wear these necklaces on the trip. Alright, here's our jewelry and nails. These adorable little bags. Oh, I'm also packing these little hair twisties just for fun. Makeup is another tricky one because I have to do it tomorrow morning. But I'm thinking I'll just pack everything in here now, take it out tomorrow morning, and put everything in as I'm doing it. Alright, that should be good. This is my go-to Ipsy bag. I'm kind of obsessed with the colors. So all of this will probably go in the tote bag. I just realized I'm gonna have a lot of room. But anyways, I'll just pack this tomorrow. Okay, next step is to take care of my little plant babies. Droopy my plants are, but I've been such a bad plant mama lately, so I'm gonna give them some serious love before I leave. They should be good for like a week, but they won't quit on me, so I love them for that. I've killed all of my succulents somehow, but my plants survived. But right now I'm just bottom watering them. Thank you, Rachel, for that tip. And I'm just gonna let them soak for a little bit, these ones, and then these two have a turn when I go off to soccer, and then I'll leave them all in here when I shower. And I'll let them drain and everything, put them back up in my room, they'll get some sun while I'm gone. And I think that's everything I can pack up right now, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.